Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create an event in Proton Calendar step by step. A Proton Calendar makes it easy to organize meetings, appointments, birthdays, and reminders while keeping your schedule protected with end-to-end encryption. So let's get started. First, open Proton Calendar on your computer, Android device, or iPhone and sign in with your Proton account. Once the calendar loads, navigate to the date where you want to add your event. Next, click or tap the New Event or Plus button. Yeah, you can also click directly on a date and time in the calendar view to quickly create a new event. Now, enter the event details. Add a clear title, select the date and start time, choose an end time, and include the location if needed. You can also write notes or a description to include important information for the event. If you'd like, set a reminder so Proton Calendar can notify you before the event begins. You can also choose whether the event repeats daily, weekly, monthly, or on a custom schedule if it's something that happens regularly. After reviewing all the details, click or tap Save to create the event. Your new event will immediately appear on your calendar and automatically sync across all your devices where you're signed in with the same Proton account. Finally, open the event again anytime if you need to edit the title, change the date or time, update the reminder, or add more information. Your changes will sync automatically once they're saved. And that's it. You now know how to create an event in Proton Calendar and keep your meetings, appointments, and reminders organized across all your devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.